Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how you can easily be able to make chicken feeders using already used plastic water bottles. So you can say have a bigger bottle and a smaller bottle. So I want to see how I can be able to make a simple chicken feeder. So first of all, I'm going to cut this bigger bottle. So I'm using a knife to cut. As you can see, you're going to have this kind of shape. See? Then the other side. I'm also going to do the same. So I'm going to cut this part here. It is. It has a bolt cup. So I'm going to move it. Then from this side, I'm going to make some holes up here. So I'm still going to use my knife here. You have to be very careful not to cut yourself. I already have one hole here. I'm going to make several holes, maybe 4. There's another one here. Still make another down here. Another one. We make another one down here again. So I'm going to make about 4 because my bottle isn't that big. So I've been able to make 4 holes here. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I want to do, I want to cut the upper part, this upper part here, and remove this part here. So let me just be more careful and try to remove it slowly. So with this, I'm sure you'll now be able to utilize your water bottles at home well. So you don't have to throw them, you have to be environmental friendly. So make such kind of chicken feeding trough and be able to give them to farmers who are willing to buy or even to sell them for their use. Then this one, I'm going to make it to be the base, whereby I'm going to cut a little bit more down. have to go inside here. But for it to go down, completely down, I have to cut it again to make sure that it's able to go inside there. So I'm still going to cut it to make sure that it fits there. So this is going to be a simple automatic feeder for my chicken that I've made without using any scent. So just have to look for already used plastic bottles that somebody may have thrown them away. You just collect them and make use of them. So this is how it's going to look like when it's almost complete. But in addition to that, I'll have to make sure that my smaller bottle is able to go down there. So I'm going to open up a little bit up here. So I'm going to expand the hole up here. Now you can see now my bottle will now be able to reach the base. See, now it's already down there. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I want to join the bottle top here, this one here, with the base side. So I'm going to put it here, up here. Then I'm going to make a hole using my nail and hammer. I don't want to break it, so I have to be very careful. I have to make sure that I'm making a hole here. It appears to be a little bit tricky, but at the end of the day I'll make a hole. I already have my hole here. Then I'm going to Now I'm going to, this is what I'll be doing. Good. To make it more fun, I'm going to add another nail to reduce the movement. Good. Then on this one, I'm going to make a small hole down here that will be used to pour out the feeds into my feeding trough. It doesn't have to be a big hole, it can be just a small hole. So then that's how I'll be putting it. But in addition to that, I also like to add some stands here. I want it to look more attractive, so I'm going to put some stands. I already have my stand here. Then from this now you can put your cover up here. And then put it inside here. Shit goes down there. You've all seen, doesn't cost you anything to make it. You just need already used water bottles. So you just have to lock it well. And now you have your feeder. This is an automatic feeder. So what you have to do, put food inside here. I'll either make a hole up here, but I don't want to use a hole here. I'll be opening it and maybe put some chicken feet inside here and then put it upside down. Maybe I would like to try it and let you see it. Now you can see my demonstration here. You just need to put the plastic container upside down like that, and then now you can lock it. Now you can just put it upside down. You can now see food is now coming from this up here. So the chicken just have to be tapping this part here, and you see it's coming out. When you just tap it that way, it comes out easily. So if my chicken are eating this way, so the feed will be coming out. So the more they feed, come out. So this is an automatic feeder. So when chicken finish eating, you can still be able to add more feed. So I hope guys you've enjoyed the session and the video, and please don't forget to like, remember to share the video to your friends, and also remember to subscribe for more videos. Till next time, have fun. Bye bye.